You can say what you want. I'm the shit, the shit you want. I'm the shit, I'm the shit. Hey guys, welcome to Sundayz. It's Sunday. So, CBS, as usual, per usual, as always, CBS. So I went in with no plan and barely any coupons because a lot of you know I get my inserts from the Army newspaper that comes out weekly, and most times it's the week that's coming, so I get it on Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, and it will be for that Sunday that was coming. Well, I only got one. I got the red plum, so I didn't get any of the good coupons this week, so it is what it is. I went in with no plan, but I actually got a lot of really good deals. So I actually brought one of their circulars so I can show you what I got. And guys, guess what? All digital and or CVS coupons. So I did not use not one coupon from my binder. Like, I always take my binder just in case, but literally I didn't use any. And that's why I like a lot of the stores are doing digital coupons, because the digital coupons allow me to get what I'm missing from the newspaper. So it's only one, whereas, you know, if you get multiple newspapers, you get to have multiple coupons. But just make it do what it do. So I was wanting to go to Target because they had the very large size, the 100 ounce laundry soap, and laundry soap is my weakness. It is my weakness. If there is a laundry deal, I am most likely getting it. So what I did end up doing was the CVS deal with the laundry soap, because I have ECBs going in. It actually wasn't that bad. So I'm probably just going to give this stuff right to my mom, like literally not even take it out of the car, just throw it in her car because she's down visiting. But you know, whatever. So this was part of the spend 30 and get back 10. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So these are the majority of the items. There is Dial. I know a lot of people are getting that because I want to say it's like 75% off coupons from this week's paper that I didn't get. Paper towels, toilet paper. I ended up getting the laundry soap and the Tampax, or the pads, because I actually need pads. I had pads, so many pads, and I actually went through them, and now I need to start restocking on them. But also, if you see right here, the General Mills, if you guys use the Saving Star app, there is a $1 coupon on there. It's kind of a rebate. And then there's a $1 off of 2 coupon from the CVS app. So if you need cereal, you know, try to put that into your plan. It really didn't work for mine, and I decided that the Always was something that I actually needed, so I got that. So what I did was I got the Tide, the Gain. These are the big mama jamas. These are $11.98. I got a big Tide. There's a $3 off of one digital coupon. Now, if you used them last week or something, the digital coupons, you can't use them this week, so be mindful of that also. The Gain, these are $11.98. It's the 100 ounce also, and there's a $2 off coupon digitally. There's also $2 off coupons that came last week. I do have those. And then I got 2 Always. So these are the smaller ones. Always pay attention to the prices, because these were $5.99, buy one get one half off. So I just got 2 of these. There were higher priced ones, like I guess there was more in the pack. So my total, so when I calculate my total, I calculate tax and everything. So I like to know exactly what it's going to come out to be, so if there's any deviation from that, we can go ahead and address it. Because if you don't calculate tax, you're kind of just rolling with it. So I did pay $20 out of pocket for this stuff. I used the $3 off digital for Tide, $2 off digital for Gain, $3 off of 2 digital for the pads, and then there was a $2 off of 2 CRT for feminine hygiene products. So I paid 20 bucks out of pocket, but I got $10 back. So usually I'd be like, that's a lot out of pocket. But now I also have $5 ECBs going in. But these are 100-ounce freaking laundry soap, and I got half my money back. So I'm okay with that. And that money I actually use to roll into my next transactions. I'm just gonna throw this in the back. So next I got a bunch of shampoo because I never buy shampoo. I always buy conditioner, but now that my hair is long enough to go in a bun, I use gel and things to keep it down because it's just crazy unruly. So I need to be able to wash the gel out. So there's 2 deals this week. There's L'Oreal and Garnier. I didn't have coupons for either. The coupons I had expired. They expired in June. I was like, dang girl, you need to do your freaking binder. But I ended up doing this deal. So I did this deal because it gives you back $5 in ECBs. You have to spend 15, get back 5. They're 2 for $8, so I bought 4, which is $16 right there. And then I used the $10 ECB from transaction 1. That takes me down to $6. And then I had there was a CRT. It was $3 off of 14 hair care. So that takes me to $3. Not bad. $3 out of pocket. I got $5 back. So you see how rolling is going to get you what you need, even if you don't go in with a lot of coupons. So I got $5 back from that. And then I got these really cute scopes. So these are super cute. These are $3.99, get back $3. So even though they're not huge, these are the size I usually go for because that's a great deal. You're getting these for 99 cents. And someone is calling my phone. My mom's calling. So these are $3.99. You get back $3, because 99 cents each. And then I had it took off the $1. It didn't take my $2, my 2 off of 6 not used. So okay, this is interesting. So I had a $2 off of 6 mouthwash. It didn't use that because it used a $1 digital manufacturer's coupon. So I didn't see this until just now. I mean, I only paid $2, but the reason I didn't use it was because it was under total. My subtotal was $1.98, so I couldn't use the $2 off of 6 because $2, $1.98. So it's fine. It was only $2.54, and then I got back $6. So not bad for just rolling what I got. Not going in with coupons and using only digital coupons. So so yeah guys, that's it. Like, and as you guys can see, you don't have to have a crap ton of coupons. You don't have to, you know, have a plan really. All I do is I go in, I get what I need for me and my family, and I make the adjustments that I need for the deals. I love deals like this, spend 30, get back 10, because they have so many different things. They have makeup, they have body wash, they have hair stuff, they have laundry soap. So you can tailor that deal to your specific needs in your family and your household, and that's usually what I do. So I look and see what other people are getting, but I always get things that I need, that my family needs, and then I just look and see what else they have. I like go crazy about the long coupons that they give you. Let me show you the CRT type coupons, because a lot of times a deal is not worth it unless you have one of these. So I always look and see what they give me, and then I kind of just play around with it and see what's going to work. And you know, I really did go back and forth about the $20 out of pocket, because that is a lot out of pocket even for me, but they're huge and that transaction pretty much took care of the other 2 transactions. I just paid tax essentially. So yeah, this is Sundayz. Hopefully you guys are able to get some of these deals. There was a good deal on the trash bags. If you didn't get that, what, 2 weeks ago, it's back. I was gonna get that, but I decided not to. I have a crap ton of trash bags, and that deal always comes up when the spend 20 get back 5. So that is it. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and share and all of that other good jazz. And I'm going home to study because I take a certification test tomorrow. So have fun. Bye.